Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you how to get tokens in Monopoly Go. Now it's an extremely easy process. Firstly, what you will do is just simply open Monopoly Go game. Once your game is opened, just simply close all the pop-ups that might appear in front of you. There are multiple ways that you can get a token. So the first way is, and the most easiest probably, is just simply log into the game consistently for 7 days. So to do that and check it, just simply go to the top right corner and click on the 3 lines. Then click on daily treats, and now as you can see right over here, if you keep on logging in for 7 days consistently, you'll be getting this cat token over here. So that's the first token that you can get. Second token, you can simply complete few events and then you will again get some tokens. So let's say for example this event over here, if you complete this event, you will get this particular token. All you have to do is just simply complete the particular event that is going on. Now there are multiple events that will be keep on going on, so you can keep on completing them to get good rewards. Now the third option is just simply go to the album option, and right over here just simply complete the entire album collection. And if you'll do that, you will get another type of token. As you can see, in my case it's a Thor hammer token. Now in the album one, you will have a number of days, and after that number of days that the prize money and all of the cards will change. So the days are for the album is approximately 60 to 75 days. So until 75 to 60 days you have to complete the entire album collection. Now how to do this, I've already made a video on that, so you can go ahead and check that on the channel. If you'll complete the entire album collection over here, you'll be able to get this particular hammer. That's it, and thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Take care.